Hi guys, this is a video to explain MLA format on a Word document. You'll simply open up a Word document and your cursor will begin to blink. You can start typing right where it's blinking. The first thing you're going to type is your name. The second thing you're going to type is Miss Recheck or your teacher's name. Then you will type in your class name. Then you will type in the date. You can either type in the date that it is when you started writing, or you can type in the due date for that paper. You'll hit enter 2 times and center it over. Your centering button is going to be right here in your Word toolbar, the home toolbar. You will then type in your title, hit enter 2 times, center it back out so it goes to the left alignment, and you hit tab to indent paragraph. Then you will begin typing out your essay. I'm going to type a little more so that you can see how we then format like our paragraph style. Okay, so in order to get your paper formatted correctly, you can go ahead and select all, and you're going to go up to the top and you're going to find the font and you're going to pick Times New Roman. You want to make sure it's 12-point font, and your paper is going to be double spaced. So if you go over here back to your little home bar, it's in between the page alignment and the paint bar or the paint bucket. You will see where it says line and paragraph spacing. If you click on that, you will scroll down to where it says 2.0. That makes it double spaced. Your paper will now be double spaced. You will need to go up to the top where it says insert, and it says header footer, so you're going to insert a header. You're going to insert the page number. You're going to do it at the top of the page, and you want it to be the right side, so then a 1 will appear. After the 1, you will click and type in your last name. You got to get it just right or it won't work. And I type in my last name with my page number at the top. This is in case anything gets lost or misplaced. Sometimes when you print a paper, it may not all stay in order, so this will help you to be able to organize your paper and make sure everything's in order, and make sure that if you're printing at the same time as someone else is printing, your page 1 won't get mixed up with their page 1 because you'll have your last name attached to your page number. So this is the MLA style you'll need. You do not have to hit anything with the margins. They're already set to 1-inch margins. You'll do the 12-point font in Times New Roman. Your paper will get to be double spaced. Remember, your double space is these double bars here. Push it to the 2.0, and then it will double space your lines right here where you notice there's an extra little space in between. Remember that to get your paragraph to indent like this, you must hit tab on the first line. And once you have this created and you start typing, you will have to make sure to save this to your computer because it will not automatically save. So you're going to go up to this main bar up here, the very, very top where it says Word next to the Apple symbol. You will click on File and you will hit Save As. You're going to save this as a document on your computer, and you can name it ELA Research or whatever paper you're working on. You hit Save, and now it will be saved to your computer, so that all you have to do when you go into Canvas is simply find it and attach the document. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and happy writing!